While an earthquake is like ripples on water in many ways, it is also unlike ripples on water in many other ways. Let's re-explore this analogy and note some ways the two are unlike one another. First, a faucet's slow leak can take a while to build up the drop. However, it takes much longer for the potential energy to build up inside Earth.
That is because Earth's tectonic plates only move at a rate of 3 to 5 centimeters per year, or about as fast as your fingernails grow.
Next, the drop of water falls through the air and strikes the water's surface, while earthquakes occur below the surface of the Earth.
In fact, the deepest earthquakes occur up to about 700 kilometers below Earth's surface.
Once the drop creates the ripples and unseen compression waves in the water, the energy travels outward in nearly concentric spheres. This is because the water is essentially all the same material throughout. In Earth, however, seismic waves expand in only roughly concentric spheres.
This is because the speed of the seismic waves is influenced by changes in the geology the waves are traveling through.
Some Earth materials speed up waves, while others slow them down.
Also, seismic waves travel much faster than water waves. Nearly 100 times faster.
These are a few key differences between ripples on water and an earthquake. For a more complete description, be sure to explore the links on this page.